Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how to check if a data source supports real-time extraction or not in SAP BW for HANA. And in order to check this, you have to visit to the source system and you have to check in the TCODE AC16, and after that you have to put the table name ROO source, and in this table you have to give like this, and then you have to provide the data source name in OLTP source field. So whatever data source you want to check, whether it's a real time or not, just provide that name in OLTP source, then execute the data. And once you execute, then you check the field value for real time in this table. And if the value is marked as X, meaning that this data source supports real time, or if it is blank, then it means it does not support. So that's a very easy and simple way to know whether the data source is real time or not. And it is important to know because that in SAP BW for HANA, we have the possibility for the streaming processing, and for that the data source has to be real time. So in this way you can actually check or validate whether the data source is real time or not, and after that you can trigger the real-time processing in the BW system, and you can fetch data real-time into the report as well. So that's all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching.